Alright guys, okay, just a quick video to explain something. So right now I'm testing a test print whereby Orca slicer estimated print time doesn't usually tally with your actual print time when we are using a tool changer. So right now I'm doing a test to compare how long the actual printing time is taking compared to what orca slicer is spitting out the estimated printing time. So right now it's printing this fuzzy bear and it's almost finished. So after this I will show you how long the time is actually in my stopwatch right now, how long it takes, and once it's finished printing I will put that up on the screen. Looks like it's almost finishing. Yep, so it's finished. So I will pause the time. So according to the time on my stopwatch, it's taking 4 hours and 11 minutes 14 seconds. So 4 hours 11 minutes 14 seconds is the actual time. I post it on the screen here, and I will also show you right now the slice time by Orca Slicer, the estimated time on the screen also. So as you let me see. So this is the difference in time. The slicer spits out 4 hours 22 minutes. Wait, let me check what's the time just now there. Okay, so the slice time is supposed to be 4 hours 23 minutes. Yeah, correct. So it's about 4 hours 22 minutes, but the actual printing time that I have is 4 hours 11 minutes. So it's actually faster than the actual slice time. I don't understand how this estimated time by Orca Slicer it spits out the estimated printing time. So if anybody out there who knows how it's being calculated or have an explanation, or even Orca themselves, maybe can give me how do they gauge the actual time, because there are some models that I print, the actual printing time is longer than the estimated time by Orca. But for this model right here, I just finished printing this, the actual printing time is actually faster than the slice time by Orca. So I don't understand how it works actually. And also it's the same using two colors. I just print yesterday. The results or the discussion is on our Discord channel, so I will look more into this, how they estimate the printing time for Orca Slicer. And also we'll take a look at this model. Yeah, we'll take a look at this model to see the quality. Remember also it's print without any prime, any purge, using two colors. This is a fuzzy skin bear, so it's a fuzzy skin bear. We'll take a look at the quality. And also just want to show you my setup, because normally there's a saying that goes less is always more. So having less things is actually sometimes better for you. So right now my filaments are down here on the right side of the printer, and they go through the PTFE tube all the way to the back. Let me show you. So it's going through all the way to the back down there, and through the tube, and all the way to the front out here, and it goes through all the way here and into the tool head. So same goes for this filament T1 T0 filament is also the same, all the way out here, all the way down, all the way to the back there, and that's where you get the filament down here, the white color. So there's been some, people saying that the having a filament feeder, to assist in feeding the filaments to your extruder will result in a better quality print. There's some people saying that the filament feeder itself helps if without the filament feeder, your print won't be that good quality. And here maybe I want to show you the quality that I print. Yesterday I posted a video on the cat, the dual color cat, and today we will check the quality for this fuzzy bear down here. So do we need a filament feeder? I mean, in my opinion, I don't think so, because I've been using Linux. I've been running Linux without any filament feeder since day one. I mean, to me, the only pros that you have for using a filament feeder is if you want to automatically load the filament up to the tool head. That's the only pros for me. I mean, in what I see. But to really help to assist your extruder in extruding for a good quality print, no, I don't think. I mean, based on what I've printed, I never used the filament feeder before, but it's possible to print and have a good quality without even needing a filament feeder. Or I don't even have a filament sensor. As you can see, I filament run out sensor, I don't even have that. I mean, it's something that is good, so that in any case your filament run out, you can pause the print and everything. But I'm not using that as well. I just make sure that before every print, I'll gauge whether the filament is enough, and I just let it print. I don't have a filament sensor to help to pause the print. But like I said also, maybe my prints is small. There are people who print big models with big printers, so maybe a filament sensor is useful for them. But for me, I don't have it. And here is the print. So let's check the print. Okay, this is the print. As usual, we'll bring it under the lights and we check the print quality. So this is printed with a support, because Orca gave a warning to that there is a bit of a floating region down here. So we try to remove the support. Let me put the phone on a holder first. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, now that the phone is on the holder, let's try to remove this support. Okay, now the support has been removed. Yep, so you can see the only thing is the cooling maybe down here, but for the support side, it's not a problem. I don't know whether you can see this. Let me focus it for you. So this is the quality, guys. I mean, right now, you just need, for me, in my opinion, you just need to tune your hot end, not the printer, the hot end itself. You just need to calibrate and tune your hot end so that it performs extremely well. No oozing, no leaking. I don't have a very good hot end, not those expensive hot end. I don't even have the how to say that, good nozzles. No, all are very old nozzles, with just cheap hot ends. You can even have good quality without needing a prime tower itself. There, you can have a look. Let me bring the light closer. Yeah, you can have a look here that all the quality are good, right? As you can see, this is not the seams, this is the model itself. So as you can see here, the models, there's no stringing this time, there's no oozing maybe of the white filament. I told you in the last video that the black filament is very old filament, a bit wet maybe, but this time you see there's no stringing at all. There's no, let me try to remove see if I can remove the brim a bit so that we can see better. We will clean up the brim a bit better later, but we just try to remove this so that we can see things without the brim, right? Yeah, so there, this model, you can see that everything looks very clean. There's no color bleeding this time, because the nozzle blocker is working very well, so there's no color bleeding. Everything is looking very nice and solid and very clean. The print itself is very clean for the eyes. Everything is very clean. So the important thing to note when you are using a tool changer is you need to have a very good and well calibrated hot end, so that will helps very much in the quality of your print itself. So as you can see here, all right. And back to the topic of, do we need a filament feeder? I don't think so. If you look at this is printed without filament feeder. Do we need it? I don't think so, unless if you want to use it to help you to load the filament into the hot end and unload. Basically that's it. But to assist you to have a good quality print, no, you don't need it. So keep everything less. Without those things, you have less problems, less things to manage, less problem, less things to maintain. So yeah, that's it. That will be my test. And also this is just a test because I want to find out the time for the actual printing time versus what Orca slicer has put out during slicing. And yeah, I will look into more how they calculate the printing time. Right, so see you guys. Thanks for watching.